Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up weeks for different shipping zone and rate. So setting up a weeks shipping zone ensure accurate shipping costs for customers worldwide. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide and how you can simply set up the weeks for different shipping zone and rates. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to log into your Wix account. Then from there, go to the dashboard, then click on settings. From clear settings, click on e-commerce and finance. Then from there, click on shipping and delivery. Then after that, click on the plus icon, which is to add region to create a new shipping zone. Then after that, you have to click on a shipping region. So select a country or a specific state, province, or a postal code. Then click on next to define shipping rate for this particular zone. Then after that, choose the preferred shipping method. For example, you can use the flat rate, rate by weight, or rate by price, or shipping or free shipping. Then after that, you can also choose the carrier calculated. For example, you can use the live rate from the DHL or FedEx. Can also use a USPS. It depends on how you want it. And after that, you can enter the rate details and click on save. Then so after that, also you can go to the dashboard, click on store product, then select a product and click edit. Then under the shipping and fulfillment, enable required shipping, choose the shipping region and save changes. Then after that, preview your checkout to ensure shipping rates apply correctly. Then make adjustment if needed. Then publish to activate your settings. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to set up weeks for different shipping zone and rate. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.